Like the crime families?
They wanted respect. Makes sense they try and jump ahead by gunning for the ruling class. What is happening?
He can't hide forever!
Keep looking! Firing on Spider-Man!
Try and dodge! Show yourself!
Hey, question. Where'd the friendly neighborhood Spider-Man thing come from?
My mentor came up with it.
I like it. I mean, at first I thought it was kind of cornball, but now I like it.
Thanks?
Let's see what this does! Where did he go? What is happening? He's here to It has to be Spider-Man! Look over, guys! Baby Spider-Man here! Keep doing it!
The longer you hide, the worse it'll be.
Make them pay for that! Even Spider-Man can't do this! What is happening? We can find him, let's go! Spider-Man's taking us out! You're done!
Has been damaged. Returning to the embrace of the world.
There. Now to find the jammer. I should be able to track the wires with my suit. Wire runouts are a good place to start. There's a pulley over those crates. gotta stick it. As Pete would say, that's a bingo. Wow. It's a Magia trophy room. I found the jammer. Guess I can head out. Crap! Hey, the way out's blocked.
Should I call someone? Like backup?
I'll figure it out. That old elevator could be my ticket out of here. Just need some juice. Okay, now to wire that to the elevator. Man, I'm good. Their cunning trap has failed. Hey, consider the jammer jammed.
Perfect. Now I'm just gonna give the police an anonymous tip, and boom! No more hideouts.
Appreciate the help. Did you get what you needed?
Yep. I'm gonna dig some more into this turf war between the underground and the Magia. Smells like a story.
Sounds good. I'm looking forward to hearing the podcast.